the heart of Mallacoota, where the wild waves dance, there's a place so serene, it's like a secret romance. With the forest at your back and the ocean so grand, secret beach is calling, come and take my hand. Oh, secret beach, where the sun and sea collide, in your turquoise waves let our spirits ride. With the song in a breeze and the sand beneath our feet, secret beach, we're home where our hearts can meet. The morning light's so golden on a winter's day, the cool breeze is singing in a gentle sway. With the rocks as our stage and the sky so wide, we'll strum our guitars, let the music guide. Oh, secret beach, where the sun and sea collide, in your turquoise waves let our spirits ride. With the song in a breeze and the sand beneath our feet, secret beach, we're home where our hearts can meet. Let the harmonica play, a tune so sweet, as the gulls fly high in the sky's retreat. Percussion beats like the pulse of the land, we'll sing out loud in this folk band. As the day turns to dusk with a fiery hue, the stars come alive in the deepening blue. We'll gather around the fire, let our voices blend at secret beach, where the magic never ends. Oh, secret beach, where the sun and sea collide, in your turquoise waves let our spirits ride. With the song in a breeze and the sand beneath our feet, secret beach, we're home where our hearts can meet. So here's to secret beach, our hidden gem, where we find our peace again and again. With the melody of life so pure and sweet, secret beach, you're the rhythm of a heart can meet.